Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Being Creative by Kanav. So as you know by this video's title that after this video you'll be able to create your own chatbot, and it's very easy to create your own chatbot. So we will make our chatbot by Dialogflow, which is an Google chatbot making website. But first, before starting to make this chatbot or teach that how to make chatbot, let's understand what is a chatbot. So, chatbot has its meaning in its word only. Chatbot, a bot which chats with you. So there could be several reasons by which you want to make your chatbot, like to give some information about someone, or to to give your information to your employees about your company. There can be several reasons, uncountable reasons there are. So let's first take an example with the chatbot which is on my screen, knowing about Kanav. It's a chatbot which tell information about me, Kanav Pasricha. Okay, so now let's ask some question about it. Hi, it tells hello dude. Then let's say him, how are you? Top of the world. Now let's say him one last thing. What is your favorite food? I love butter chicken with garlic naan. Oh, my mouth is watering. Yes. So these all information I have fixed in it. So like in chatbot, you have to fix your own questions. That like if I also say him, hello, Mister, it will tell the same answer, hello dude. So I am not I am not tell him that hello mister, when question will come you have to say hello dude. I had only tell him that when anyone say you hi, sorry, hello, then you have to say hello dude. But it has some its own mind. It relates it with the question. Like I said hi, it said hello dude. I said hello mister, it said hello dude. So it relates. So like if I will also say the favorite food of yours. See, so it relates. Now second property is, now we have to start making. That's only the second property. Now all the other things I'll tell you after doing this. So the open dialogflow.com, as I told you before, that is the Google chatbot making website. So open that. I have opened. The link will be in description. And now click on Dialogflow. Yes. So after clicking, click on Go to ES Console. So clicked on Go to Google Console. So now we are gonna make our own chatbot. So first step is to create an agent. Okay. So what's agent? Now you must be thinking agent is the second name for chatbot. Like if you want to make a chatbot, you have to first make an agent. If you want to make a chatbot, you have to first make an agent. So give your chatbot or agent name. Like I am giving like U tribes. U types is like this chatbot will give you information about the YouTubers. Now choose your time. We live in Asia, Colombo, so 5:30 I live. So then create. So now we have created our chatbot. Okay, we have created it. But now second step which comes with us is to insert questions and answer through which it can relate and tell answer. So for that we have to go to its intent. See, like it has already brought me to the intent. So now it is saying agent training completed. So now we have created an agent. So now we want to create our intent, questions and answers. So first two intents are already created. Intents are the topics by which you can insert the questions and answers on that topic. So there can be different intents. So first let's see default welcome intent. So like training phases, like it will say just going to say hi, hey, hello, hi, howdy, hey there, hi, greeting, long time no see. So these are the which will be already. So like when the users will say these questions, okay, then it will say the answer like hi, how are you doing, hello, how can I say help you, good day, what can I do for today. So let's ask him something from this. Just going to say hi. See, it said, good day, what can I do for you today? So it's not that always it will say, good day, what can I do for you today? Like in text responses, it would say any of these, like, good day, what can I do today? If I would ask him again, just going to say hi. It will say hello, how can I help you. So it will say any answer from these, and like if user asks any question from this, then it would say any answer from this. So then save. So now we have viewed default welcome intent. So now let's go to intents. So now let's see default fallback intent. So default fallback internet that if it doesn't understand anything, he would say any of these, any answer from this. Okay. So now we will start making our own intents, own questions and answers on these topics. Okay. So now let's go to the intents. Then create intent. Then intent name. You can give like I want to make on Carrie Minati. Okay, Carrie Minati. Like I want to give users information about Carrie Minati, questions about Carrie Minati, and answers about Carrie Minati. Okay. So then for adding questions, go to training phases and click on add training phases. So then first question with users ask is who is Carrie Minati? Okay, so users will ask, who is this Carrie Minati? Then, who is this Carrie Minati? Users will ask. Then, you have to say, then text responses. Add Carrie Minati is a YouTuber. Now let's see if it has been really made. And after making any change, you have to click on save. Oh, who is Carrie Minati? Maybe spelling of Carrie Minati would be wrong because I have written like fastly. Oh, it said Carrie Minati is a YouTuber. So now if you want that it could say any other answer also for this. This answer is not that good. So you can also say a famous YouTuber. So how many answers you will add in this, that many answer it will say, that it will choose. Click on save. Who is Carrie Minati? But I think anybody doesn't know Carrie Minati is very rare because he is one of the brilliant YouTubers started from zero subscribers. See, when you say again who is Carrie Minati, then it will say because he chooses the right answer. Like then let's go to next that user expression. And here let me type that Carrie Minati's real name. And let's see Adin Nagar. And let's now ask him who is Carrie Minati. Oh my god. Sorry, Carrie Minati's real name. Adin Nagar. So you can see like this. So like this it would be done, and then like if you want to confirm then you can also say who is Carrie Minati. Yeah, you must be thinking the difficulty you thought it was not there. Yeah, this I only wanted to check and tell you that you can give as many questions as you can give, but that should relate. Like you can give who is Carrie Minati, who is Carrie Minati's mother. You can't give that. Like you can give who is Carrie Minati, Carrie Minati's name, and then one answer will come Ajay Nagar. So you can give a relative answer which suits both the questions. Okay. So like now if I give Carrie Minati, who Carrie Minati is, then it will surely relate that who is Carrie Minati. Carrie Minati is Ajay Nagar. Who is Carrie Minati is a famous YouTuber. So both the answer relates. Okay. So like this, now I think you can finally make your intent, and you can make as many intents as you want. Like Carrie Minati's name, Carrie Minati that. But if you want to make a full classified chatbot, it takes days to make it. Yeah, but I hope you liked this intent making thing. So now the chatbots class is not over or video. We will meet again at some other day. With I'll be coming with a video in which I will tell you small talk, knowledge, many other things. But now after this, you could make a like basic chatbot of yours. I think yes. And if you have any doubt or want any tutorial, please comment in the chat box. And thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel if you are new, or not, or have not subscribed. Like, share this video for more coding videos like this. Go code. Hashtag go code.